I am Deepa. My seminar topic is an interactive telemedicine system with Android application. This paper is done with under the guidance of Sunita S, Assistant Professor of RYMEC. These are the contents. Introduction. Lengthy waiting time for a medical appointment, access to specialists or matters that lead to the modernization of healthcare system. Using this project, people can easily see doctors and doctors can advise more patients. This device will allow the doctors to monitor the patient to give a medical advice. This medical application used to many poor people's lives simple and to save money. Not only money, it also saves time and it will be more secure. In terms of money, time, and it will also create a secure and dependable environment so that users may contribute sensitive data to its application without being concerned about security threats. Three-quarters of all Bangladesh doctors work in cities because almost 64% people still lives in the rural area. In America, 50 states are using this service. According to the America, 75% doctors cannot visit the patient any physically. They could be managed in video call or video conferencing. The use of telemedicine application for health care is a step to segregate communication between doctors and patient outside the traditional setup. Therefore, using this project, people can easily see doctors and doctors can advise more patients than can do now. Doctors on demand is one of those this app is available. System overview. This system focused in some areas like medical social media system, ML, smartphones, wearable technology, and sensors. Medical social media system is a collection of services such as cell phones, computers, and wireless communication, and it connects millions of people. ML has become simple approach enable of doctors and patient. It is better choice for providing healthcare service to patient. Wearable technology. In the coming years, it will be playing main role in the healthcare facility. Method and process. This session introduces the software design implementation of each component of our proposed telemedicine system with Android application, including the sensors used in the system, the database, and communication among different users. Before starting the project, we have conducted two different surveys, one for patient, one for the doctors. This survey had the questions on what type of information patient and doctors are willing to give and what functionalities they want from this application. After collecting the data, decision was taken according to the result of the survey. Wearable sensors and smartphones, web service, and an online data storage platform make up the system architecture. The user interface was created with the user in mind. The program was compiled using it agile work methodology, which allowed for design changes as needed throughout the process. This is the architecture between the patient and doctors. This diagram will help to very easy to understand between the patient and doctor. We separated some applications like individual sign up, doctor management, patient management, e-prescribing, video conferencing. Individual sign up. It has designed for patient and doctor. Doctors have their respective BMD's registration and NID numbers and phone number. Patient management. Patient has to provide some personal information and profile photo. After enter the personal information, patient can find the available doctor who are enlisted in the application. Then patient can search the particular doctor and find the doctor details in a detailed session. Then patient can be scheduled the appointment. Doctor management. Doctor has also provided some personal information and profile photo. After enters the personal information, doctors can find the available patient who are enlisted the application. Then doctors can view the patient reports and patient details in detailed sections. Then doctors can easily monitor with the patient. E-prescription. Doctors can prescribe medicine to the patient by clicking on a prescribe option in particular patient. Doctors can add medicine name, dose, duration, and description, and also see the previous prescribed medicine. Appointment scheduling. When doctor is not available, patient can set reappointment to the particular doctor. To set appointment, patient first select a doctor, then go to a doctor profile and click on a requesting appointment. After requesting an appointment, both patient and doctor see the request profile. If doctor can accept or reject the request, if doctor can accept the request, then doctor set a date time for appointment. And also, patient can cancel the appointment request at any time. Benefits. Video conferencing. This video is not stored in the any database. First, patient go to a particular doctor profile and as he like. Then click on a video call button. After clicking on button, application automatically take place. Benefits. Easier access for medical head in severe urgent cases or during natural disasters. Access to specialist medical care for the inhabitants, the remote towns and cities. Reduce treatment cost on healthcare across the country, limiting hospitalization and unnecessary commute for patient. Reduction of communication barriers between health centers with specialist services such as consultation. It expands access to care and reaches more patients. It reduces the patient cost and particular overhead. It improves the healthcare quality and patient satisfaction. It increases the practice revenue. Conclusion. Telemedicine is definitely improves the communication and level of satisfaction. We have seen that 91% patients want to introduce this service for their treatment. 74% are agreed to implement of this survey. They want to get service with their financial capability. They also want the service to be within their functional means. In most situations, is patients were referred to professional doctor by local doctors. Through telemedicine, local practitioners can improve their personal skills in patient management. The service findings are expected to head academics in the establishment of a standard telemedicine model in Bangladesh, approaching to the authors. References. These are the papers I referred. Thank you.